Hello! Today we are going to read Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes by Eric Litwin. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White! But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Going squeak, squeak. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. Pete loves his white shoes, but even when he stepped in different things and they turned colors, he still was okay with it. He still liked his shoes. He said, that's all right. I still like them. There were 4 different colors of shoes that Pete ended up having. Do you remember what 4 they were? They were white, they were red, they were blue, and they were brown. Those are the 4 different colors. Maybe you can go and look through your house and see if you can find something in all of those colors. I will show you what I found in my house. I found a white blanket. It is very soft. I found a red apple. Red. I found a blue hair comb. And I found a brown stuffed dog. I found all 4 of the colors that Pete had for shoes. See if you can go and find all 4 colors. Have fun!